Hello guys, welcome to my second video tutorial on XHTML and CSS. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your first web page and your first XHTML code. So the first thing you're gonna do is open your Notepad++ or whatever editor you're using and open a new page or create new project. In Notepad++ you can click this icon here for new, and the first thing you're going to do is create some HTML tags. So to create HTML tags we will use the less than symbol, type HTML, and bigger than symbol. Okay, so this is an HTML tag, and whenever in XHTML, whenever you open a tag you have to close it. Okay, so this is open HTML tag, and now we have to close it. And to close it, we use the slash and type HTML again. Basically the same tag, but we use the slash before it. Okay, so now this is open HTML and closing HTML. Between the HTML tags, we're going to type a few other tags more, which is the title tag. So we do the same thing, and here next to it we close it right away. Okay, and basically having this like this, or if you have it like this, it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, it doesn't need doesn't need to be precisely in the same row or in the same line. I can have it like this. Okay, what is going to be important is whatever content is going to be between them. Okay, either between the title tag, and as you will see, or I can do it just right now, I'm going to create here, you can type my first title, okay, between the title tags. Okay, and down here let me just type here, I forgot to put the head tags. We have to put the head tags. Okay, and down here the body tags. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. You'll get used to these tags because you're gonna repeat it a lot of times. Whenever you create a web page from scratch, you'll create these tags. Okay, this is the first thing you need to do in creating a web page. So this is it. This is what you need to create a web page. Simple as that. Okay, this is the first step you need to do a web page. So you need the HTML tags. Between the HTML tags you can create the head tags. Between the head tags, the title tags, and then after the head tags you create the body tags. Okay, now between the body tags is where going to be every single content of your web page. Okay, so if I type here my first web page and let's save this, you can do pretty much as you can copy what I'm doing here and try it as I'm going to try it now in your computer. And I'm going to save this as, click save as. This is very important, and you have to type here or choose the HTML, but I can do it straight away in here. So make sure also that you're gonna save this in a directory that you will remember. Okay, I'm going to create a new directory in my desktop, sorry, and call it Portal. Okay, and inside Portal I'm going to create here my first page, and dot HTML. Okay, this is the important thing that I want to show you. Is first page, you can give whatever name you want to the page, and then .html. Every single page, web page, sorry, must be .html. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Now save it. As you can see right away, the Notepad recognizes the code as being HTML code, so it's in blue. The tags are in blue, and the content is in black. So we have content for the title, which is my first title. Then we have in the body some other content, which is my first web page. So let's see how this works in a browser. Now you have two ways to open this in a browser. You can run it in Notepad++. You have this run icon here, and you can click launch it in Chrome, launch it in Internet Explorer, or launch it in Firefox. Or you can go straight away to the file, which is mine is in the directory portal. Click it. Here it is. And here I'm gonna open this with Firefox, Chrome, or Internet Explorer. Okay, so I'm gonna try and open this with Chrome, and here it is. Okay, here it is. The title appears in here. As you can see, this is the title, and this title here is what appears in here at the top of the page in the tab. Okay, now then the rest of the content in the body is my first web page, is what appears in the body section, which is basically the whole page. Okay, the page itself. Okay, as you can see, and I can still type here more things to come. Save it. I can go here and refresh it here, and you'll see that it changes. Let's change the title as well and see the difference, how that changes. More things. Save it, refresh, and there it is, more things. Okay, so now you created your first XHTML code in your first web page. Now you know how to open web pages after you code it, and how to put some title as well in your web pages. Okay, this is a very, very simple web page. Of course, we still have a lot to learn, but this is the beginning. Okay, now in the next video I'm going to show you some more stuff about how to create colors and paragraphs and all that. So see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys understood this. If you don't understood something, you can review the video or post the questions you want in the section below. Okay, bye.